Hey there YouTube, it is Hisoka here doing another Pokemon booster pack opening. This is part 2 of the Japanese Versus Series booster pack opening. I have one more Grass and Lightning, which you just saw, and 4 more Psychic and Fighting. So far I have 2 of the Holos down and the Psychic and Fighting. Need the other 2, so hopefully 4 packs. I have enough luck to pull the other 4. You guys saw my Fire vs. Water booster pack opening, or box opening. I got all 4 Holos in 4 packs, so that was pretty cool. Although I did open up the rest of the packs later on because I was missing some of the commons, and a little disappointing. I ended up getting 4 Sneasels out of all 9 packs. I mean, of all the ones you could have gotten, Sneasel. Alright. Poliwrath. Hitmonchan. Omastar. I don't have that one. Marowak. Girafarig, Slowbro, a second Espeon. I don't know which Espeon that is. I can't remember. I think one's like Annie's Espeon or something like that. And the next card is actually a Gengar, so got 2 of those. Alright. Ursaring, Tauros, Noctowl, Potion, Energy, some sort of Ark of the Covenant, a Switch, and the 2 TMs. The Holo is Rocket Suicune. So definitely nice right there. Got 2 out of the 3 legendary dogs and 3 out of the 4 Holos from Psychic and Fighting. Alright, that's pack number 4. No, that's pack number... Yeah, that's pack number 4, I believe. I can't do math very good. There's always one. Always one. Might as well give it away again. Come on, got one more. Come on, I need Raikou. I need Raikou. As much as I like Entei, I want to get at least all 4. Poliwrath, Machamp, Hitmonlee, 2 Omastars, there we go. Trying to get at least 2 of everyone. Xatu, Slowbro, or not, that's Slowking, I don't know why I was calling it Slowbro. Jinx, Hypno, Granbull, Tauros, Togetic, Ark of the Covenant, Master Ball, which... Okay, never mind. For some reason I got confused with the bordering on the side. I was looking for the edge, the centering, and I just noticed that it had that on there. Moo Moo Milk, and 2 trainers, 2 TMs. Alright, since I got 3 in a row, I'm going to go ahead and go with the Psychic, or Grass and Lightning. Hopefully I don't get a double out of this one. I don't know if I ruined that on camera or not. I'm doing this off of my phone and then I'm sitting on an ottoman, so I'm kind of at an odd spot. I'm kind of like hunched over my phone, so It comes across a little weird because I'm trying to look down and look forward at the same time. Go through all these grass energies. These ones seem to stick together a lot, and I have no idea why. If you're interested, I have a ton of energies from all 3 sets. So, Coughing, Jumpluff, Fortress, Lady Anne, Electabuzz, don't have that one, Ampharos. For some reason it looks like a kid drew these. I'm not complaining too much, the artwork's kind of cool, a little bit different, but definitely has a different feeling to the cards. And different, looks like Lance's Ampharos. I'm actually going to sleeve that one. Trying to put together all of Lance's team. I think right now I do have every one. I have Kingdra, Gyarados, Charizard, Ampharos, Lickitung, another Lance's Dragonite, so I got 2 of those now. This one a little bit off. A little off on the centering, but not bad. Alright. Potion, Stadium, Arc, Remedy, TM. Probably not saying what those trainer cards are properly. I have no idea. Not really my main focus. More looking for the commons and holo. So, holo for this one is a Skarmory. So out of the 2 Grass and Lightning packs, I got 2 different holos. So I'm very happy about that. A little bit different change of pace. So hopefully with the last 2 Psychic and Fighting packs, I can get the last holo that I need. Alright. Sleeving the holo. Guys will definitely be surprised by the holo. Alright. All these energies stuck together. Hitmonchan. Hitmontop, which I do not have. 3rd Omastar. And Lance's Aerodactyl, there we go. I don't have that one, so. Executor, I did not get that one. Slowking, another Gengar. Mischievous, my 2nd one. Gramble. When I say 2nd one, I don't mean disappointed, I just mean like I have an extra copy that I can have, 1 to grade or 1 to sell. Noctowl, Persian, which I did not get before. And trainers. Arc, some energy, remedy, and TMs. And for the holo, a 4th Rockets Entei. So far it seems like I seem to pull 4 holos. And here's the last one. One last hope to get a different holo. At this point, I don't care what it is, I just want a different holo. I'll even take Wobbuffet. God, I'll take Wobbuffet. Just please not Entei. Save the surprise for the end. Alright, Psychic and Fighting. All those energies. Machamp. Omastar. Marowak. A 2nd Espeon, so that's good. Executor. I'm really bad with the camera, as you can tell. Slowking, Zatu, Hypno, Tauros, Noctowl, Togetic, Trainer, Master Ball, yeah, just stuck. There we go, Moo Moo Milk, and the 2 TMs. Alright, now for the Holo, I pulled a Wobbuffet. Well, at least it's not an Entei, but yeah. Damn, I pulled 4 Enteis. Some people were like, that's awesome, 4 Enteis. Come on, Raikou. I need Raikou so badly. Alright, reorganizing this for the summary video. Crap. I'm just tossing cards everywhere. Yeah, I only got 7. For some reason I thought I got 9. I'm going to sleeve 2 cards and then I'll start. Alright, so the uncommons that I got that I really liked was the Espeon. Hitmontop, only got 1 of those. Lance's Aerodactyl. Lance's Dragonite. Lance's Ampharos. Gengar. The other Espeon. Other Espeon again. First one. Second, Lance's Dragonite, but this one has better centering, so pretty happy about that one. And a third Gengar. I think I got 4 Gengars total, but those are the ones that I have right there. Alright, so Bugsy's Skyzor is the first Grass and Lightning holo that I pulled. Looks like Faulkner's Skarmory. I got Rocket's Wobbuffet. I believe that's Rocket. Yeah. 2 of them. Rocket's Suicune. And ta-da! 4 Rocket's Enteis. So, hopefully that was pretty entertaining and funny. I know that was very funny for me in one sense and frustrating in another. But either way, I am happy with the pulls. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and check back later for further videos.